Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Don't forget to click the bell if you like the video.
Yeah, today we are not going on a hike. We came to this hike before, and in your past videos you can see it. It is Sawani Mountain, and we have this video of this hike in the past. If you go to Basking Group channel, you have it. But the main concept of this video is there is an Indian organization called Telugu Association of Metro Atlanta. It's a local Telugu speaking people's organization, and they have conducted a hike to encourage people to live outdoors and everything. So I just wanted to introduce about I wanted Rajesh to tell about this Tama and what their event is and what they want to do.
Rajesh Jampal again. This is a hike that we started last year with Tama. Tama is a very old organization within Atlanta. It's the second oldest organization in Atlanta, and we used to be a cultural organization, but we are trying to go deep into the social side of it. So Tama has been running a clinic for the past 7-8 years, and that has been a godsend for a lot of families that come in the summer, for the parents that come in the summer, and also underinsured and uninsured folks. So as part of the health update process, we started the hike. This is the Sawani Mountain. This is north of Atlanta, pretty close to most of the Indian community lives, Alpharetta and Cumming areas. And as you have seen, there will be a lot of activity going on this after the COVID. So you can see all the kids have been encouraged to come in, and then you can see all their happiness seeing spending time in the nature. So that's something that we would recommend to each and every one of you. Post COVID, everybody has been in their homes and not able to spend enough time with the nature and outside itself. So we encourage each and every one of you to help, support, and encourage all your neighbors, friends, and anyone else that you can reach out to spend time outdoors and be one with nature.
This is the hiking poster that you can see that Tama has come up with. They had this event on June 6th on Sunday at 7:30 a.m. 2021.
Yeah, good.
Good job, basket group.
Yeah. Oh, keep going, keep going.
గోతామా సార్ మీరు రాలా మీరు రండి సార్ రండి
I'm Divya, and I just moved here from Wisconsin. It's my first time on here. It was really fun. I met a lot of new friends, and the view from up here is really nice too. This is my brother.
So did you enjoy the hiking?
Yeah,
So what do you tell to your friends?
to come here because it's really fun.
Yeah, we have twins here, same t-shirt, same shoes. So we have twins here who made the hike. So let's see what they have to say about hiking. Yes. Go ahead.
Hiking is kind of dirty, but I like to be adventurous.
Good,
Yeah,
good.
same. Well, it was different climb about the Sawney Mountains.
So what's your name and what
My
grade
name
are
is
you?
Abhinav Lavu. We're going to enter 6th grade in a couple months.
Okay, what about
My
you?
name is Avanish Lavu. I'm going to enter 6th grade in a couple months.
Okay, so what do you want to give the message to your friends over there back home sitting at home?
I want to tell them that you should really get out of the house and do hiking.
What about you?
Yeah, same. Get out of the house. Go explore the world.
Awesome.
So my name is Amita Yarlagada. I am a citizen of, I guess, Forsyth County, and I like coming here. I've been here on this trail like a lot of times. It's so nice. The view is amazing, as you can tell, and I've loved it here because it's not that much of a walk, and I come here all the time with my friends, and it's super fun just talking to them and viewing the nature and feeding squirrels is what I love all about this place. There's so many squirrels. I think I just gave a sugar rush to one squirrel here. I gave him like a part of my Rice Krispie, and yeah.
All right. So what do you tell your friends? And do you recommend them to come hiking?
Yeah, it's really fun. You get to view nature. I mean, it's just life. It's how you should be.
All right. Thank you so much, madam.
You're welcome.
Hi, my name is Sanvi Muta, and I'm going to 6th grade.
And my name is Lehana Goodipati, and I'm going to 6th grade.
Today's experience was really fun. It was hard, but in the end, the view is wonderful, so it's worth it.
I really like the view of the mountain because it's really beautiful.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tarun Karamanchi. This is my dad. He is, as he said, he's the General Secretary of Tama. And I really enjoyed this hike today because we were surrounded by nature and there was nothing disturbing us. Like cars, people honking, gas station, different smells. And it was very enjoyable. A lot of people came here and it was a very good event made by Tama because Tama made everyone enjoy the outside and came together to make sure everyone had a good time.
You are good. So what do you tell to your fellow friends out there sitting in the houses?
They'll get eyesight by watching all those gadgets and they should just come outside.
Oh,
Come walk.
okay. Thank you so much.
My name is Kamal Satluru. I'm chairman of Tama board. This is one of the activities we are doing after a long time. Due to pandemic, we were not able to do in-person activities. This time we are lucky that this summer we are kicking off with this hiking at Sawney Mountain. This is great turnout and a lot of kids came and they are enjoying. This is a very healthy activity. People have been sitting in front of their computers for a year and everybody is excited to come out. A good weather and Tama organized in a great way and the turnout is good. I encourage all the people to continue this kind of activities and stay healthy. Thank you.
My name is Akhilesh Parashar. I'm here with my family, wife and one younger one, Prem. It was an amazing experience. I want to thank Tama, all the organizers, volunteers for this entire event, and this event was Chala Bondi.
Okay. So what is your word for the people outside sitting at home? What do you recommend to them?
Two things. One, get out of the home and get associated with Tama.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name is Ramesh Venalakanti. So I live in Atlanta, Georgia. So we come to this the hiking event every year. So this is so exciting. So irrespective of the age, the kids and all the adults, grown-up, senior citizens, everyone participates participates in this event. It's so excited about the nature. So it's a very healthy event. So it's really useful for everyone. It's not only once in a year. So once they participate in this event, definitely they are so excited to come individually with their families to enjoy the nature. And due to this pandemic, at least this is the very good relaxing for families, mentally, personally. It's a very most time to everyone. Thank you very much for conducting this event.
Hi, I'm Ravi. She's my wife, Srilekha. My son, Srihan. After a long time, after this COVID situation, we are really enjoyed. I think special thanks to Tama, President and Vice President team. And I think we need to conduct more events like this so that people come outside and we can celebrate the, pre-COVID situation.
Easy. All you do is come down here.
We are really enjoying, thoroughly enjoying. Thank you very much.
So what about you?
We had awesome time. Like early in the morning, this is a very good time, and the weather is so good. Coming out like this with a large group, it is very special, and we enjoyed it so much. It was very awesome.
You want to tell something?
I enjoyed the hike, and the view is beautiful, and it is not tiring.
Okay, good. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is Sairam Karumanchi. I am General Secretary of Tama, and it's very heartening to see more than 100 people coming over. Probably this is our first event which is outside, and you can see a lot of kids, adults, and many every kind of people. So we are all enjoying and getting sweat after a long time. It's really good.
My name is Naya Anmula. I am President of Tama for 2021. Tama tarpna ee roju అందరినీ మనకి 1.5 year నుంచి అందరి ఇంట్లో ఉండి ఈ పాండమిక్ వల్ల బయటికి రావాలని అనుకున్న టైంలో ప్రస్తుతం అమెరికాలో కొంచెం సిచ్యువేషన్ అంతా బాగానే ఉంది కాబట్టి కంట్రోల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి తామే ఈరోజు మేము అందరినీ కలపాలని నేచర్కి దగ్గరగా ఉంచాలని చెప్పేసి హైకింగ్ ఈవెంట్ కండక్ట్ చేసాం. సో ఈ హైకింగ్ ఈవెంట్కి చాలామంది ఫ్యామిలీస్ వాళ్ళ పిల్లలతో పాటు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు. దే ఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. అలాగనే అందరిని కూడా ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తున్నాము. మీరు కూడా స్మాల్ గ్రూప్స్లో కలిసి ఇలా బయటకు వెళ్ళేసి హైకింగ్ లేదంటే వాకింగ్ ఇలా వెళ్ళండి, నేచర్కి దగ్గరగా వెళ్ళండి. So we encourage everybody to do the same like we did, like Tama.
All right. Thank you so much, Innai Garu, for coordinating this event. It's definitely a great event. You have given an opportunity for Indian community to experience the nature. That's the great part. Thank you so much for taking this initiative.
Thanks.
గోతామా ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు మంచి రుచికరమైన బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్లు అరేంజ్ చేశారు మాకు అందరికీ. ఉదయాన్నే రాగానే మంచిగా తిని అందరం హాయిగా పైకి నేచర్ ట్రైల్కి వచ్చాము, మంచిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసాము. గోతామా తామా రాక్స్. నా పేరు సురేష్ బండారు, నేను ట్రెజరర్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను.
Thank you so much for everyone to be part of this hiking event and which Tama conducted today, and it's really great thing to come out and enjoy the nature this morning, and we appreciate everyone and thank you so much.
Tell your name, just tell your name.
Bala.
Okay.
Be healthy, stay safe, stay healthy. Tiruchillapalli, Community Service Secretary, Tama.
This is Sairam Karumanchi, General Secretary. It is if we see, there are people from 4 years to 74 years. So the range is 70 years. So we can imagine how good it is. Thank you. And there are more than 100 people.
Okay, thank you so much.
హలో అండి, నా పేరు నాగహర్ష కొప్ల. నేను తామాకి ఈవెంట్ సెక్రటరీ. చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత ఇట్లా అందరూ బయటకు వచ్చి ట్రెక్కింగ్ చేయడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. మంచి వేడి బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేశారు ట్రెక్కింగ్తో పాటు. సో అందరు ఇలానే ప్రీవియస్ టైమ్స్ లాగా అందరూ ట్రెక్కింగ్కి అన్నిటికీ బయటికి రావాలని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నా పేరు రమాకాంత్ తూపురాణి అండి. నేను తామా లిటరరీ సెక్రటరీ అండి. ఇవాళ హైకింగ్ చాలా బాగుందండి. వి ఫీల్ ఎక్సైటింగ్ అండ్ ద బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ వాజ్ వెరీ డెలిషియస్.
My name is Liana and I'm going to 6th grade.
My name is Tharu and I'm going to 7th.
My name is Divya and I'm going to 4th grade.
My name is Sandhya and I'm going to 4th grade.
My name is Monish and I'm going to 7th grade.
My name is Abhinav Lavu. I'm going to 6th grade in a couple months. Hi, my name is Avi Lavu and I'm going to 6th grade in a couple months.
My name is Sandhi Mita and I'm going to...
Now, go ahead. You want to tell about hiking?
I love hiking. This is really fun. I hiked the Appalachian Trail and all of you guys have to hike. Go hike! Go hike!
Go Tama!
Go Tama!
Yeah, we had a good hike. As you have seen in the video, you have seen the experiences of adults, kids, different ages, and enjoying the hike. So I would recommend everybody to, like Indian organizations like this or any other organizations, to conduct at least once a year an event. You'll be doing a great favor to your organization because you are exposing our younger generation, our future generation to nature, so that they know how to get out of stress, how to handle problems. I mean, they know. They have other options rather than being in the houses all the time. Rajesh, what your input on? You want to tell something about this?
So this, like Narendra said, this is a beautiful experience. We have been hiking for the past couple of years, and the best part is you can spend time with family away from all these electronics. And in these times of COVID, everybody is hooked onto their phones and laptops and devices. So this is a place where you can unwind, have an electronic detox. So this is the beauty of this spot is, as you can see in the map behind, there is a hike that you could do that's a 1.5 mile to a 5 mile range. So if you have smaller kids, you can take an hour, spend an hour, just go up the mountain and then enjoy the beautiful views and then come back. And if you want to do a little bit longer, you can take a bigger loop and then do 5 miles. So the main thing is just getting outside. And like my kids say, touch grass. This is, I know they're gonna make fun of me for saying this, but this is something that we would recommend. Not just for organizations, everybody. You have a group, you have like a neighborhood group or friends group, or we have so many WhatsApp groups going on right now, so you can just leverage that and make sure you go out. That's the key. Go out and then be healthy.
Yeah, the other thing that I want to mention is most of the kids, they don't want to come out, but make sure that you form a group of their friends and then take them, because their friends are there, they want to come with them and they want to spend time. So that is a trick where you can form a group, and in the summer, especially if we don't have school till August, so make groups, if 2 or 3 families, if they have kids are good friends, then make them as a group, and then they will take you, because they are excited every morning. We did this last year. We walked the whole Appalachian Trail, and I can see that experience of the kids, because they want to spend time with their friends walking on the hike. So make groups. It could be any, like your friends group or your kids friends groups. Make small groups, if not big groups. Make small groups, but go outside. Encourage let's encourage our youngsters to be with the nature. That way they know how to handle stress and any other kind of problem down the road. And thank you for watching Basking Group, and thanks for all your support.